Here's something remarkable that many people have never noticed. The Bible explicitly tells us why Israel went into captivity for 70 years. It wasn't random, vague, or symbolic. It was exact. God put them in Babylon under very precise warnings. The 70 years of captivity were directly tied to missed Sabbath years. Since a Sabbath year came every seventh year, the calculation is simple. 70 times 7 equals 490 years. But now notice something even more striking. In Ezekiel chapter 4, God gives another prophetic measurement of Israel and Judah's iniquity, and Ezekiel is told to lie on his side. 390 days for Israel, 40 days for Judah. And God says, I have laid on you a day for each year, in Ezekiel 4 verse 6. So the total is 390 plus 40 equals 430 years. Now look at that 430 year period through the lens of Israel's rest laws. A Sabbath year came every 7 years. So 430 divided by 7 equals 61.4 years. That means there were 61.4 Sabbath year cycles in that span. Now look at a Jubilee. A Jubilee cycle came every 50 years. And people don't realize it, but the land had to rest in a Jubilee year also. So 430 divided by 50 equals 8.6. That means there were 8.6 Jubilee cycles in that same period. Now add them together. 61.4 added to 8.6 equals 70. That's remarkable. Be clear, the Bible explicitly says the captivity fulfilled the land's Sabbaths, so the primary biblical foundation is still 70 violated Sabbath years that equal 490 years. But what's amazing here is that when you view the same broad span of iniquity through Ezekiel's prophetic number and then calculate both Sabbath year cycles and Jubilee cycles, the total still converges right at 70. That's not meant to replace the primary interpretation. It reinforces the same pattern. It shows that God's timing, judgment, and covenant structure are so precise that even from another prophetic angle, the same number rises to the surface, 70. And that has major implications. If God was that exact in counting violated rest cycles, then it's absurd to think that in Daniel's 70 weeks, he suddenly inserts a gap of thousands of years between the 69th and 70th weeks.